All right, 5th generation automatic transmission fluid change. Step 1, remove the skid plate. There's the skid plate removed. There's plenty of videos online to see how to do that. Step 2, drain the transmission fluid. This is the oil reservoir. Don't do that unless you want to do an oil change. Transmission fluid's further back. There's the transmission, and there's the transmission pan. There's the bolt to remove. It's 14 millimeter. After it's all drained, close it back up again. Next step, go to the passenger side vehicle, take off a 24 millimeter bolt right there, and get your siphon ready, because that's how you're going to fill it. Now, if you don't have a 24 millimeter, this will work. A 15/16 inch socket will work in place of a 24 millimeter. Just be careful. If it's on really tight, don't push too hard because you don't want to strip it out. So, bolts out, fluids in, there's the hose. The engine's not hot, so I ran the hose over the exhaust system so it stays up at a good angle. When I drained the automatic transmission fluid, I collected it in that 5-gallon jug. I transferred it to this 1-gallon jug, and then I have another 1-gallon jug for the exact same size. And then what I did is I filled it up so they were exactly even. That took 3 liters plus another half in my measuring cup. So I know that with my drain, I took 3.5 liters out. So I'm going to put 3.5 liters back in. So here's a close-up of the automatic transmission again. Drain plug side. There's the 14 millimeter drain hole, drain plug, drain bolt. This is the 14 millimeter drain bolt. This is the check fluid level. There's the fill plug, way up there from the passenger side. And none ran out, even though I'm up on ramps. But I just think that fill plug is so high up that the automatic transmission fluid is not at that level all the time, because there's plenty of room for the transmission fluid to sit in there level. And since I measured everything precisely, I put back in exactly the same amount I took out. I feel very comfortable with this fluid change.